Mary Grace C. Arambala. I am a student from Valencia Colleges, Inc. So today I'm going to share something very close to my heart. Learners with intellectual and developmental disabilities, or in short, IDD. So these learners are special, not because they are different, but because they remind us of how capable, creative, and unique every person can be. For today's Teach Talk, I'm going to share what is IDD. So, IDD is intellectual and developmental disabilities. So, when we say IDD, we are talking about a group of conditions that affect how person learns, communicates, and interacts with others. Learners with IDD may need more time to understand lessons, extra help with daily tasks, and special teaching strategies. But they can learn and grow beautifully when we give them patience, support, and most importantly is the love. So, there are characteristics of learners with IDD. Each learner is unique, but some common characteristics may include slower pace in learning new skills and information. Second, difficulty in reading, writing, and solving problems. Third is trouble expressing ideas or understanding complex instructions. Fourth, strong need for structure, repetition, and visual aids. And lastly, the most importantly, they have big hearts and love to be appreciated. Learners with IDD can best learn when lessons are fun, simple, and hands-on. How can we support learners with IDD? First, we should use clear and short instruction. Second, give visual aids like pictures and charts. Third, allow more time for activities and tests. Fourth, encourage them gently and celebrate even small successes. Most of all, treat them with respect and kindness, just like everyone else. In that way, as teachers and classmates, we can support learners with IDD in many ways. When we include them in learning and play, we build a classroom where everyone belongs. So, as a future teacher, I've learned that teaching learners with IDD is not just about lesson or grades. It's about understanding, acceptance, and building confidence. They may learn differently, but they teach us valuable lessons about patience, compassion, and joy. And together, we can make education inclusive, loving, and more meaningful for all. To all teachers, parents, and students watching my Teach Talk, let's continue to support and believe learners with IDD. This is Mary Grace Arambala reminding you that every learner has the ability to shine. We just need to give them the right light. Thank you so much for watching my Teach Talk. See you next time. Bye-bye.